Hey cutie, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lily Jasmine. If you haven't subscribed, this is your moment. This is your chance, and if you're back, welcome back. We are going to check at what level of booty bounce you are at. We have 5 levels. I'm just gonna call them 5, and we're gonna start at the absolute basic. So actually that's level 0. We'll just call it level 0. Because I don't wanna assume, I know lots of people will start here and they're like, can you booty bounce? I don't wanna assume that you can do that because you might be new and your lower back might not move like that yet. So our level 1 or our level 0, let's call it level 1, that sounds nicer. Our level 1 is going to be just swinging our hips back and forth. We're gonna do that for 8 in 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice, if you can do that, you're a beginner. Whoop, whoop. Then we have level 2, which is still the beginner's level, so let's see if you can do that. We're going to bounce up. In this one, I am absolutely fine with you using your legs, but in a next level, we're gonna eliminate that. So you can still use this to bounce up in this level. Means you are a beginner if you're doing that, that's absolutely fine. Lots of people I still use that in my choreo sometimes just because it gives a little extra movement. Let's go, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice! If you could do that, you have reached the beginner level, I guess. Then we have 2 intermediates. The one is not moving your legs while you bounce up. So we're doing the exact same thing, but we're here, isolating. Let's go, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Then that's an intermediate move. We have a second intermediate level, but before we go into that, if you want to learn how to do all these things, definitely make sure to be subscribed. I also have tutorials on lots of these moves, and I have a few twerk courses and challenges. Make sure that you check the description if you want to dance with me more often. But let's first move on to the intermediate level 2. If you want, you can come down with me all the way into a low squat, and we're going to booty pop up here. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. So we had just swinging our hips back and forth. We had the booty bounce up without the isolation. We had the booty bounce with the isolation. We have the booty bounce all the way down in the squat. And then for the last and 5th and final advanced move, we're gonna come down on our knees. This definitely asks for some hip range of motion in your hips. You sit down in between your legs. You can hold your hands on your heels if you want, and you go up, up. So let's go, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes! Let me know in the comments what your level is, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, and if you want to practice with me more, you know where to go. Head over to my description. Hope to see you back for a next tutorial next week.